Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today we'll be going through the tips on how to trade a ranging market. I know we've always been told that you shouldn't trade a market that is consolidating, or I should say ranging. A ranging market is whenever price is in between two levels, which is a high and a low. It's just ranging, moving sideways. There's no high that is higher than the other or low that is lower than the other. Instead, we are just creating equal lows and equal highs. So today, I'll be giving you guys tips on how to trade a ranging market. So the first thing is that you can't trade a ranging market on bigger time frames because you'll never know when it might break above or break below. Like, you can't trade a ranging market in bigger time frames. Let's say you're seeing that ranging market on your 4-hourly time frame, daily time frame, also you can't trade it right there. Why? Because you definitely not know when it will either break above or below, but instead you are most likely to scalp in a ranging market. Let's say you are able to spot that ranging market on your 4-hourly time frame. You are most likely to get your entries on 30 minutes and 15-minute time frame, because definitely what you see on your 4-hour is not what you'll see on your 30 minutes or 15-minute time frame. Instead, on your 30 minutes and 15 time frame, you'll be able to see your small downtrends and uptrends and so on, while if you are going on the external structure of it, it will just be ranging. So you are most likely to enter your trades or trade on your 15-minute time frame and 30-minute time frame. By you, for example, as I said, that whatever you see on 4 hours is not what you will see on 15-minute time frame. In that case, you are most likely to see your downtrend in your 15-minute time frame in a consolidating external trend, and then you'll be seeing a series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, a consistent break of structures of as consistently breaking structure to the bottom, and then from there you'll be able to scalp those sells and still be able to scalp those buys until price gives you a confirmation that now we are done with this range. Now we have either broken above or below, and then you can take things from there and then go back to holding your trades even longer than you were holding them on your 15-minute time frame. So I'll just speak about a few pairs, which is DXY, and I'll analyze GBPUSD. I'll see which other pair I can add for you guys, but so far let us just check the DXY since it's the one that is currently ranging. So let's just check it out. As we definitely know that DXY, we don't trade DXY that much, but it is the one to guide us on what other pairs that correlate negatively or positively with the dollar index will do. So if the DXY buys, GU is most likely to sell, EU is most likely to sell, but I'm not going to mention any other pairs before you'll cram that. But let us get into the markets. So this is the DXY on our daily time frame. Why am I starting on my daily time frame? Simply because I want to see the overall structure on what is happening. So right here, with just me understanding this structure, I can see that we have been creating a series of lower lows and lower highs until we had this big change of character right here. So I can expect price to retrace before even pushing to the downside. So in this case, what will I do is that I'll drag my fib from where the impulse started to where it ended, predicting that price has high chances of retracing in this level, which it is levels where there is your imbalances and so on. And also we can definitely see that price is currently in this order block right here. We haven't much disrespected it. Okay, let me just fix this. We haven't much disrespected it. We are just in between it. So a lot can still happen right here. So this is what I'm predicting so far with DXY, that it has high chances of retracing right here before even moving to the downside. If it continues moving to the downside, then that will be disrespected. At the same time, we will be safe simply because we wouldn't have entered anything. Let us scale down to 4-hourly time frame. Scaling down to our 4-hourly time frame, we can definitely observe or see that DXY is currently moving sideways. It's currently moving sideways as it is giving us this structure. In it giving us this structure of a ranging market, it now confirms that we can't trade anything long term from here. Because in this case, we can predict that if we are maybe scaling down to 1 hourly time frame, we will see some sort of a small downtrend and then predict that if the lower high that gave rise to the last lower low is taken out, that's when we can confirm that DXY is ready to come back and retrace in this level. But if you want to scalp this, what should you do? Now that's where our not 4 hourly time frame, that's where our 30-minute and 15-minute time frame comes in. That's where our 15 minutes time frame and 30 minutes time frame comes in. Just to elaborate on the structure right here, we definitely see that we had been consistently breaking structure to the top until we had a change of character right here, retracement, and then from there we've been doing what? Okay, this is one structure, retracement, and so on. So we have been consistently breaking structure to the bottom from there. So if you still can't mark your break of structure, start with this zigzag and then start marking your break of structures from there. Then you delete this. So from now, let us understand this portion. What is happening in this portion? For now, I'll just like to remove this order block that we got on our daily time frame. In this portion, what is happening? We're still ranging. Yes, we're ranging, I understand. But there is some sort of a pattern that we can say we can see. For example, let me just go to 15 minutes so that it'll be much clearer. All right, we're still ranging, but there is a pattern that we can some sort of say we are seeing right here. Just taking from where price is currently at, we can say that we had this high, higher low, higher high, because it simply closed above this. And then right here we had a change of character. Change of character whereby we took out the high low that gave rise to the last high. We retraced, broke structure right here, retraced, broke structure, retraced, broke structure, meaning we are able to see that we are having a small downtrend simply because we are consistently breaking structures to the bottom. As much as it wouldn't have much came back to all our points of interest, because I would have dragged my fib from where the impulse started to where it ended, predicting that price has high chances of retracing right here, which we can definitely see that it didn't much retrace right there. But this one right here, it would have done that break, taking from where the impulse started to where it ended, it would retrace right here and then started moving to the downside. So even right here, what can we say? We are having our new break of structure. And us having this new break of structure right here, what do? We can remove our fib. This one right here, and remove this in order to have a clear chart, and then drag our fib from where the impulse started to where it ended, and then predict that DXY has high chances of coming to retrace in this level, also covering this imbalance before even moving to the downside if it will be continuing with our downtrend. But also, if now it's ready to respect our bigger picture, we are most likely to see price doing what? Disrespecting this high. We are most likely to see price disrespecting this high by taking out this lower high, that gave rise to this last lower low, which will give us a change of character right here. And then we can confirm from there that we are ready to do what? To retrace. We can confirm by there that we are ready to retrace before even moving to the upside. We can confirm from there that DXY is ready to move to the upside by us taking out this lower high. Which will give us a change of character, we can confirm that we are ready to retrace and move to the upside, respecting the 4 hourly time frame. But so far we can just say we are ranging. So that's how we can trade a ranging market. So let us look at GBPUSD. GBPUSD on a daily time frame. What can I see? I can see that I'm overall coming from an uptrend whereby I've been creating a series of higher highs and higher lows, consistently breaking structure to the top until we had this. So in us having this, we can say we had a change of character that happened right here. Other than that, we have been consistently breaking structures, just that I'm lazy now to draw my break of structures right here. We had a change of character right here. So from here, I dragged my fib from where the impulse started, which to where it ended, which is in right here. And then from there, because on my side, I'd considered this as one leg because this one wasn't respected. But yeah, at the same time, there would have been a way to play around with this section on smaller time frames. But right now, let us focus on the external structure. So right here, I'm predicting that price has high chances of retracing at our level 71 and 79 right here, which is where our point of interest is at, which is also at our highest premium level, as we definitely know that we are most likely to sell at premium. It's our highest premium level, so we are looking forward to sell right here. Also, we have an imbalance right here, which might make our setup to face a little bit of a drawdown, but my entries are always at level 71. And also, if you want to have an A plus setup, or if you want to not risk much, you can scale down to smaller time frame to see change of characters before even entering this trade. So let us scale down to our 4-hourly time frame. On our 4-hourly time frame, what can we see? We can see that like there's no clear structure right here. We are able to see that it is an uptrend, fine, but there's no clear structure for us to scalp. So let us scale to 1 hour or even 30-minute time frame, whereby we can see a clear structure that will allow us to scalp also. So in us seeing the structure, what can we see? We are able to see that we are having a small uptrend, consistently breaking structure to the top, retracing, breaking structure to the top, retracing. So even right here, it hasn't broken this high, so I can still predict that price has high chances in coming to retrace right here before even going to my point of interest, which that's how you can scalp the GBPUSD. So as I said, that we've been breaking structure in this small movement. We've been breaking structures where to the top, consistently breaking structure to the top. So in that being said, from there you drag your fib from where the impulse started to where it ended, predicting that price has high chances of retracing in this level before it even pushes to the upside. So this is my scalps when it comes to the GBPUSD, unless we get a candlestick that closes fully above this level. For as long as we're still weaking out, we can say this is still valid. Once it has closed above, then we can say now it has been disrespected. That is what I have on the GU trade. The rest of the trades will be determined by how DXY acts. For as long as DXY is still consolidating, we are most likely to see no much clear movement in other pairs. As you definitely saw, GBPUSD is not having a clear structure on our 4-hourly time frame. Thank you guys for watching my video till this far. Hoping you enjoyed it. If you grabbed a thing or two, just make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and also turn on that notification bell in order to be notified whenever I drop a new video. The other thing is that I'll be posting more of market breakdowns, and also going back to doing account growth in terms of prop firms, because brokers not really there as yet. But yeah, so in terms of prop firms, I'll be doing market breakdowns there and showing you guys how I pass my challenges, meaning that it will be an account series that I'll be posting on YouTube, but I'll update you guys with all of that as soon as I've decided on which prop firms do I want to do that with. So, and what else? If you have any questions, just drop those questions, drop those comments, and tell me what you think about the analysis I just shared with you guys. Nonetheless, this is Tyron the Goat, and peace out.